F1 Lightning. It's pretty much mostly stock, been repainted, got some new lights in it, wheels and tires, exhaust. Full pulley. Interior been redone. Nothing major, just a nice clean truck, a lot of fun. Good driver, been pretty reliable. Driven it a lot of places, had a lot of fun with it. 2003 Mustang Cobra. Bought this car about 2.5, 3 years ago, and since then just really replaced a lot of wear and tear parts, suspension, redid the suspension on it. And nothing major. It's pretty much just got a Eaton on it with a pulley, tune, plenum, throttle body, long tubes, X pipe, full exhaust. Makes about 470 at the wheels. It's a good all-around reliable driver. Got the 18-inch staggered Terminator wheels on there, and lowered just a little bit. Man, just a good fun driver, man. I've taken it wherever I wanted to go, cold AC. That's a lot of fun. Nothing too crazy, but a whole lot of fun. Look, check out my group, Mustangs of the Mid-South. If you're in the Memphis area or in the tri-state area of Memphis, Mississippi, and Arkansas, check out Mustangs of the Mid-South. Do a lot of stuff, trying to just have a good time and enjoy the cars without the drama. We do a lot of cruises, fundraiser stuff here and there, things for charity and things like that. So check us out on Facebook, Mustangs of the Mid-South. Follow me on Instagram, NickStrong1, and that's it.